Hello friends, welcome to our channel In-house ERP. Today topic is less than function under conditional formatting in MS Excel. I hope you all doing good. So before starting this video, please do like, share, subscribe this channel so that more useful content will come to you through intimation as and when the new video uploaded. So let's start. This is database we created. Go to home, conditional formatting, highlights and less than. Now you see when I choose any value, then less values of that selected value will be highlighted. So like this I choose 10,160. I choose now 24,000. All values will be highlighted. So I hope this video will be useful for you all. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share this video to other person also. If any suggestion, opinion, kindly let us know through comment box. Thanks for watching.